What are the stages in contested divorce? A contested divorce, also known as a litigated divorce, is one where the spouses cannot agree on one or more issues such as property division, alimony, or child custody and visitation. Contested divorce typically go through the following stages. Hello and welcome to Law Nano. We are here to help simplify Indian family law so you can understand your rights and options. Navigating divorce, alimony, child custody, and other family legal matters can be overwhelming. That's why we provide clear, concise information and resources to empower you on your journey. On our website www.lawnano.com, you will find guidebooks plus articles covering key topics like choosing the right lawyer, building your case correctly, and tips to resolve your case effectively. We break down complicated legal stuff into actionable advice you can use. Whether you need help understanding the law or want to know how to get started in a family law case, we have got you covered. The legal process does not have to be confusing. Visit our website today to get the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. Just click the link in the video description below to get started. Now let's continue with the rest of this helpful video. Filing the petition. The process starts with one spouse filing a divorce petition in family court. This petition outlines the grounds for divorce and the request for property division, alimony, child custody, and support. The petition is served to the other spouse who must then respond within a specified time frame, usually 20 to 30 days. Response from the respondent. The responding spouse can either agree with the terms in the petition or contest certain provisions. The response will admit or deny the allegations and state their own request regarding the divorce. If the respondent fails to respond in time, the court may grant the divorce by default. Discovery. This is the evidence gathering stage where both sides exchange documents and information relevant to the contested issues. This can include tax returns, bank statements, debt information, or any other documentation needed to value assets and determine incomes. Depositions may also be conducted to question parties and witnesses under oath. Settlement discussions. Many couples resolve contested divorce issues through negotiation and settlement agreements before ever stepping foot in court. Settlement talks often take place throughout the process. However, if no agreement is reached, the case proceeds to trial. During a divorce trial, both spouses present evidence and testify before the judge regarding the disputed matters. Witnesses may also provide testimony and documentation to support each side's claims. The attorneys will make arguments as to why the judge should rule in favor of their client. Final orders. After considering all the evidence and testimony, the judge issues final orders on the disputed matters. This legally binding ruling divides property, sets child custody, visitation, and support, and determines any alimony obligations. The divorce is complete once the court enters the final decree. Appeals. If either spouse believes the judge made a legal error that affected the outcome, they can file an appeal with a higher court. Very few divorce cases actually go through the appeals process, however. Appeals must meet strict deadlines and legal standards. A contested divorce follows a series of stages, starting with filing a petition and ending with final orders or an appeal. The process involves gathering evidence through discovery, negotiating possible settlements, and ultimately presenting the case in court if no agreement is reached initially. Hiring an experienced divorce attorney is a highly recommendation for navigating contested divorces and the intricacies of each stage. With proper representation, many couples can resolve issues amicably through settlement and avoid a lengthy trial.